This is a Commodore News Update.
Okay. Welcome to Commodore News Update for Thursday, March 11th. I'm Chris Dayton. Last Friday's big football game against Lake Taylor ended a 2-year regular season winning streak as the Titans defeated the Commodores 27-14. The Commodores lacked some serious firepower after Maury and Granger left the game with an injury. In volleyball, the Commodores continue to dominate as the boys and girls picked up shutout wins against Norcom on Monday and turned the same trick on Norview on Wednesday. Also on Wednesday, the cross-country teams ran in their second district meet, and the Commodores girls continued their winning ways as the only team to field enough runners to record a score. Freshman Mariella Wynn led the Commodores across the finish line for the second week in a row. The boys were not as fortunate, falling to Norview. Javier St. Remy led the Commodores. Now here's Tarquin with details on what's coming up with the schedule.
Thanks, Chris. Today's JV football game against Norcom was canceled. However, tomorrow night, the Commodores look to get back in the win column against the Granby Comets. The Granby rivalries date back to 1939. Game time is 7 o'clock p.m. at Powhatan Field. Back to you, Chris.
Thanks, Tarquin. Now, what's happening at MHS? You're up to date. I'm Chris Dayton. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.